Hello everyone, Christian here with Pipe Doctor Home Services. Today we're replacing this, what do they call it? Power board. For obvious reasons. I got it pulled out. Now I'm gonna take this one, pop this one in, and what I'm gonna have to do is, I don't have my own wire for this. But what I'll do is I'll just take some of this wire, and this wire's short because most of it got melted, so I just cut it back and stripped it to where I can actually use it. We'll cut some of this wire off, and I should be able to still run this to this new power board, and then be able to actually hook up that black wire for my power coming into the thing. We'll see though. Hopefully it all works out, and then we'll find out if there's anything else wrong with this after we get it all put in and try and turn it on. I checked last time when I was here. The elements are both fine. Nothing else was grounded. And I couldn't see anything else that was all melted, so checked the power up there. Everything else seems fine, so hopefully, yeah. When I finish replacing this thing, it's all, fingers crossed, perfect and no more issues. All right, new one's in. The wires fit there, great. I'm just gonna put this here panel back on and hope everything works. That's it. New control board's in, system's running, no fire. Looks like we should be good. Got an amp draw for the element. It's about a little over 20 amps, 21, 22 amps. So I'm just gonna pack up and then collect payment, write this up, and get out of here. If you guys like the video, please give it a like, and thanks for watching.
And remember, ladies and gentlemen, during the month of September, to celebrate our grand opening of the expansion of Pipe Doctor Home Services into Central Florida, and for the community to get an opportunity to see the caliber of work that we perform, all central air conditioning repairs for residential systems shall be free. If the part costs me under $100, it's free. So basically, that's all parts with the exception of like motors. Need a new compressor? Oh well. Need a new condenser fan motor? Not happening, but all the other parts, and that's almost every single replaceable part, will be free. Give me a call, 407-375-1100.